healthy, crunchy, and tasty oats recipe. Prepared in air fryer. Please try this once. Hope you will like it. Take a half cup yellow moong lentils. Soak for 3 to 4 hours. Stain it. Blend it coarsely. Then take 2/3 cup oats. Make a fine powder. Add coarsely blend yellow moong lentils. 1 grated carrot. Squeeze out excess water. 1 medium finely chopped onions. 3 finely chopped green chillies. 2 tablespoons finely chopped red peppers capsicum. 3 tablespoons coriander leaves. 1 tsp garlic powder. A half tsp ginger powder. A half tsp turmeric powder. A half tsp crushed black pepper. A half tsp red chilli powder. A half tsp cumin seeds. 1 tsp mango powder. Pinch of baking soda optional. Salt to taste. Mix well. In preheated air fryer. Grease basket with olive oil. Grease palm with olive oil. Take a small portion and make flat round shape. Set for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees C. After 5 minutes, stop and apply olive oil. Then flip it. Apply olive oil. Keep on flipping after each 5 minutes. Once ready, take this out. Crunchy, healthy, and tasty oats recipe ready to serve. Serve with any dip. Please try this once. Please feel free to subscribe my channel.